The digital citizenship curriculum lesson that I chose is media balance and well-being. The grade level I chose to look through was kindergarten. And under the media balance and well-being, I chose to go more in depth with media balance is important. I chose media balance is important because I think it's good to start teaching kids about when and how long you should be on technology, starting at a young age. The ISTE educator standard that is met teaching this lesson is facilitator, which educators facilitate learning with technology to support student achievement of the ISTE standard for students. The one under facilitator that matches the best is 6B, manage the use of technology in students' learning strategies in digital platforms, virtual environments, hands-on make spaces, or in the field. The ISTE student standard that is met with when this lesson is taught is empowered learner, which is students leverage technology to take an active role choosing, achieving, and demonstrating complete in their learning goals, informed by the learning sciences. The one under empowered learner would be 1A. Students articulate and set up personal learning goals, develop strategies, leveraging technology to achieve them, and reflect on the learning process itself to improve learning outcomes. The way I would teach media balance is one is I would go through the lesson plan on here. There are lesson slides, and I would just go through them, talk about what's on each slide, and go more into depth about the device, what balance you should have, and then I would show the videos and then have a conversation about those, and then ask the students the questions and hear their responses. And then there's the lesson plan, and I could ask the questions, and then the students would respond. Then there's also songs for this one that you can teach them about media balance importance, and go through this a few times and then sing it all together. There are also coloring sheets to do at the end of a lesson that have little sayings on them about technology. I would also, I'd go over the learning objectives at the beginning, and know when and why to take breaks from your device, consider the feelings of people around you, just go over what people may think and why you should take devices. I'd go over balance and device of the vocabulary and definition so they know what those are more. Additional information and resources. I could find more videos that teach them more about why it's important in other ways. And then I could make my own slideshow about the reasons I think and the reasons I found from other places of why it is important to know when and where good times are to be on technology.